Hi everyone, today we are going to change the oil on a Mercury 3.5 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor. One of the things that's interesting about these small Mercuries is that they don't have an oil filter, so it's just changing the oil. So first thing we're going to do is take off the engine hood. Now, if you look inside of the engine, you'll see it gives all sorts of specifications for the engine oil. So we come around here, and I don't know if you can read that. That's the information for the oil. First of all, it says that we need 300 milliliters, or about 10 ounces. And the chart to the left is the type of oil that you use based on the temperature you're going to be operating the motor in. We're going to go with 25W40 because we are operating in 40 degrees Fahrenheit and above. If you were operating in colder temperatures, you would do 10W30. All right, this is about as simple a job as you're going to find. All you need is a socket wrench with a 10 millimeter socket on it. I've got some 4-stroke oil, 25W40, and I've got an oil pan to drain the oil into. And the drain plug is right here, and this is the oil fill spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the oil fill cap. That's going to release the vacuum so that the oil will flow out nicely. Cap is off, and here is the drain plug. This is a 10 millimeter drain plug. Get my pan ready. And then the oil is draining out. Wow, it looks like some really nice fresh oil actually. So I'd like to change the oil once a season. I bought this outboard used last summer. The spring is approaching, so I'm getting ready for the next boating season. It looks like that's some pretty nice new oil. Anyway, we're going to start over again with 10 ounces of nice, clean, new oil. All right, that is just about done draining. All right, so I'm going to put the oil pan on the floor as I prepare the oil to put back into the motor. All right, it is time to replace the drain plug. This one, interestingly, did not come with a washer. Usually it's called a crush washer, which serves as a gasket. So I went to an auto parts store, found this rubber gasket, rubber washer that's going to work just fine. So let's put that back in. Start it by hand. And then finish it up with the socket. Remember, this is a 10 millimeter. Don't have to go crazy tight. That's fine. Next step is we are going to measure out 300 milliliters of oil. So here's this new oil. Okay, I've got a measuring cup here that only goes up to 250, so I'm going to put 250 milliliters of oil in here, and then we'll do another 50. All right, there we go. There's 250. And this engine also comes with what I'll call a sight glass. So there are two lines here. That's the minimum amount of oil. That's the maximum amount of oil, and we'll be able to see in that window how much oil is in there. Okay, so we've got a funnel. Funnel's nice and clean. I want to put garbage or dirt into the motor. All right, it's just starting to register in the sight glass there. Okay, so I'm going to put another 50 milliliters in here. There's 50. There's the oil level, which is definitely above the minimum level and not quite in the middle. But we put in the 300 milliliters that they say, so I think we're good to go. All right, we put our cover back on for the oil. And that's it. Super simple. So there is the oil change on a Mercury 3.5 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a like and subscribe to Fixing Boats and Stuff. Thanks very much.